Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys some Instagram hacks and tricks that you can use to take your Instagram to the next level. I promise you in this video, you will at least learn one new thing that you never knew about. And once you do find that new thing, I want you to drop a like and comment down and let us know what you learned new. And also, if you guys want to learn more about tech and cool videos like this, be sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications to be notified about future content. And with that being said, let's begin with the Instagram hacks. Alright, so to start off, you can head down into Instagram, and by the way, I don't have an official account, so this is just a random account I just created right now. If you go into the top and press the three dots, and if you go into your privacy settings, right, once you are in your privacy and security, there's an option that says activity status, and you can turn this off like I did. And what it actually does is that it hides the status that shows people whether you were online, when you were last online, and all that stuff. The only negative thing that can happen from turning this off is that you will also stop receiving the status of other people to see whether they are online or not. So if you're like me, you have always noticed that when you talk about something, you always seem to see a similar ad about that what you just talked about on Instagram, and it's kind of creepy, and there are also studies about it. So what you can do is go into the app info of Instagram, head down to permissions, and turn off microphone. If you can't access your app info like that, just go into settings, choose apps, and then find Instagram. On iOS, all you really have to do is go into settings, find Instagram, go into settings on that, and turn off the slider for microphone. Now once you have your microphone turned off, the only negative thing that can happen is that if you are recording a story or if you're going live on Instagram, you will have to go back into settings and allow permission, or else your voice won't be heard. Now I actually tagged myself in a post here, and as you can see, if I go to my profile and look at the post that I've been tagged in, it shows whatever I've been tagged in, right? But sometimes you get spammed, and what you want to do is just press the three dots on the top right, go into options, and you can remove it from your photos from your profile. So you can either choose to just remove the tag completely or keep the tag but remove the photo from being visible on your profile. So the other thing you can do is go in, find someone on Instagram that you want to hide yourself from. So in this example, I'm going to use Gary Vee, even though he's never going to see me, at least not yet. So what you want to do is tap the three dots on the top right and press the button that says hide your story. So what this will do is if you post anything onto your story, they will not see it. They will still see your posts, they will still see your live, but they will not see any of your stories. And you can always go ahead and unhide them from the stories, so that's also possible. So the other thing that you can do is go into settings, go into privacy and security, and choose the option that says comment controls. Over here you can choose to allow comments only from people that you follow or your followers and things like that, where you can just filter out who gets to comment, and you can also block certain people specifically from commenting. There's also another feature called manual filter, where you can search for any keyword, and whenever someone types that keyword, that comment will be blocked. Alright, so I'm going to show you how you can actually download pictures from Instagram. So what you want to do is on your desktop, you can go ahead and find a post. So just go and locate that post and be on that post. Now if you actually try to save an image from here, look what happens. So if I right click and press save as, it doesn't let me save it as like a JPG or a PNG or whatever image file format. So you right click and go to inspect element like I'm on right now. Now you select onto the inspect element side and press Ctrl and F. So now you can search for different keywords. Now over here, I want you to search for JPG. Now as you can see, when I search for that, there's 4 results right there. So on the first result, if I hover over it, it doesn't highlight anything on the page, so that's irrelevant to me, and that's not what I'm trying to do. So I go into the second result of the JPG, and it actually selects Marques Brownlee's profile picture, as you can see right there. But that's also not what I'm trying to download right now. So I go down to the third result, and now as you can see, it highlights the actual post that I'm trying to download. And as you can see, there's like 3 or 4 different links right there, and you don't know what to do with them. So if you look closely, you can see there's a thing that says SRC, which I think stands for source. You want to go and copy the link, so Control and C on that source, and you want to paste it onto a new tab. And as you can see, now you get brought into a full resolution HD version of whatever post that is, and now you can just simply right click on it and choose save image as, and you can save it to an actual image file format. And yeah, that is the last hack or trick. Alright, that is the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for making it all the way to the end. If you guys did enjoy the video, be sure to drop a like and subscribe and turn on post notifications, and also comment down and let me know what your favorite hack or trick was. And with that being said, this is Tech Alpha signing out with today's video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.